असांजे विच में अवांजे ई शहर के शख्सियत के नौजवान हरीश कुमार गुजारिश कर पाण अचनि ऐं तालीम जे बारे में पंहिंजा वीचार अवां सभिनी ताईं पहुचाइनि। असांखे उमेद है कि हरीश कुमार सुभाणे जो स्वामी है, सुभाणे जो किशन चंद बेवस है ऐं सुभाणे जो डॉक्टर बलोच ऐं डॉक्टर गुलबख्शाणी है। तमाम आजिया करे पूरी तारीम सां
Honorable Chief Guest Sardar Malik Asad Sikandar Saab, Folk Wisdom, Honorable Ghulam Nabi Morai Saab, Chief Executive Milan TV Network, EDO Allah Bachaya Saab, Education, Sheikh Abdullah Postani Saab, my teachers, guests and friends, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaste. Today, the topic of my speech is declining standard of education in Kholistan. Sir, the standard of education in Kholistan school is becoming very low and it is in regression day by day. It has been noticed the result of schools is very poor, but the schools are showing great results with the passing rate up to the 80% every year. Let me enumerate some of the main reasons behind the stated condition. First reason for poor performance and academic dishonesty is the demotivation of teachers. Once upon a time, teachers were most respected in our society, but today, teachership is an ordinary and a side job. The second reason behind the poor performance is that classes in government schools are very crowded. In case of interior Kholistan, there is one teacher for 5 classes. Because of this overcrowdedness or overload due to shortage of teachers, both students or teachers lost their interest in education process. Another reason in the Kholistan township is that those parents who can afford send their children in private schools, and the people who later become allowed to yellow schools. Yet another reason is that bad teachers to attention some students who are more active and the less active become marginalized and disinterested. As most poor Khoistanis send their children to government schools, and since the education and books are free, so they less bothered for results. And in the evening, students are asked to help in shopkeeping, housework or to raise animals. Thus, the student thinks the education is a secondary thing. Contract system is also big reason teachers appointed on contract system, contract basis as MCHD or SNC fund feel job is insecurity. Therefore, the insecure teacher looks for a better job, and post of such teachers who opt for another job become vacant for years. Last salaries are another big reason. All the time teacher thinks about their own problems such as food, medical, convenience to reach a job place. So a teacher remains confused in failure. Then how can a teacher impart the education? In the end, I will have some suggestions for the improvement of education in our beloved Kholistan. Number 1, there must be a Kholistan package salary for the teachers who serve here. Number 2, every teacher must be sent to interior Kholistan for the last 3 years. Number 3, those teachers who give better performance must be given a special increment. Number 4, those who show poor performance should be fined. Number 5, there must be Kholistan Education Reform Committee headed by Malik Saab and Number 6, there should be fine on those parents who do not send their children to schools. For this, Malik Saab can be played. This is the role for his people. And I thank you again for giving me a noble chance to express my findings on such an important subject.
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तमाम बड़ी मेहरबानी शेख अब्दुल्ला साहब। मौजूद दोस्तों, आवाज विच में अवां से मुखातिब हुआ बहरान टेलीविजन सरवान असांजा दोस्त गुलाम नबी मोराई साहब जिन झंड जर में रोशनी पकड़ी पवन बरकतन में जिंदगी जागी पवन मार्जन जिए जहां में जन्नतूं ऐ सिद्ध तुंहिंजा ॻोठ जे सुधरी पवन। मुबारकबाद जा मुस्तरक आहिनि
डॉक्टर विशान बलोच साहब जी